Hey, 60 seconds spare you to desk? Here's what's new on Ramp. Meet Ramp Stack, the first AI operating system built for accountants. Run any accounting workflow, amortizing prepaids, booking transactions, reconciliations, across all your clients. The more workflows you build out, the easier it is for your team. Help more customers with the same size team. Next, procurement got a major upgrade. Ramp now runs purchasing end-to-end. From sourcing vendors to running legal reviews, agents do the work of a full-time procurement team. We ran the numbers. That's 46 hours back every month, almost a full week. You're welcome. And finally, AI token spend management. AI bills are the fastest growing line item in finance, and most teams have zero visibility. Connect Ramp to OpenAI, Anthropic, wherever you're spending, and manage it exactly like card spend, by team, by model, by project. Whether you're closing the books, managing token spend, or sourcing vendors, you can now run finance at the speed of AI. See you next quarter.